Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stock cubes at home. Start by gathering your ingredients, which typically include about 2 pounds of bones, a pound of mixed vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, and a handful of fresh herbs. Quality ingredients are key to a delicious stock. Wash and roughly chop your vegetables. There's no need for fine dicing. This simple preparation sets the stage for a flavorful base. Next, place all your prepared ingredients into a large stock pot and cover them with cold water, ensuring everything is submerged by about 1 inch. Slowly bring the pot to a gentle simmer, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Allow it to cook for a minimum of 4 hours, or even up to 8 hours, to extract maximum flavor and nutrients from the ingredients. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean pot. Discard all the cooked solids, as their flavor has been fully extracted. Now, place the strained liquid back on the stove and reduce it over medium heat. This process concentrates the flavors, making it perfect for your stock cubes. Aim for about 1/4 of the original volume. Finally, once your stock has reduced and cooled slightly, pour it into ice cube trays or silicone molds. Fill each compartment about 3/4 full. Place the trays in the freezer and allow them to freeze completely, which usually takes several hours or overnight. Once solid, pop out the cubes and transfer them to an airtight freezer bag or container for convenient, long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.